Pocket. The popular Read It Later service is shutting down on July 8, 2025, and with that, many are looking for new homes for their saved articles and links. The good news is that the market for Read It Later and bookmarking services is vibrant. Whether you need something free and simple or a powerful feature-rich platform, there is likely an alternative out there to suit your needs. And we have shortlisted some of them to save your time and effort. Raindrop.io is one of the most frequently recommended alternatives, praised by users for its clean interface, robust functionality, and the ease of migration. Its free tier offers unlimited bookmarks, collections, highlights, device syncing, and also boasts over 2,600 integrations and apps for platforms like Mac, iOS, Android, Chrome, and Firefox. However, some of the premium features like offline copies of articles and full text search requires a paid plan. The second strong contender is Instapaper, which is recognized for its straightforward approach, clean reading experience, and stripping away distractions from web pages. The only shortcoming is that it's not as feature-rich as some of the other options. For people deeply integrated into Apple ecosystem, apps like Good Links and Double Memory are worth exploring. Good Links stores the data directly into one's iCloud account, which some users appreciate for its privacy and longevity. Additionally, it makes things easier for the creator as they do not have to maintain multiple expensive servers. Double Memory, on the other hand, as a newer option, offers a unique saving method with double command plus C and a Pinterest-style waterfall grid for organizing links. Well, the list doesn't end here. Some users prefer to settle for more creative solutions with existing tools. Let's take Obsidian for one, which primarily is a note-taking app but can be transformed into a powerful web archiving tool with its Web Clipper extension. It allows users to save web pages as local markdown files, offering a local-first approach to information storage. Notion, another versatile workspace tool, also offers a web clipper for saving entries into tables where you can add tags and make them searchable. But here's a soft warning, as the Notion mobile app feels pretty substandard since it feels more like a web wrapper rather than a native app. For those who want something completely different, a new app called Media Wallet is picking up, focusing on organizing various media links into platform-specific pockets and offering privacy features like locking folders, etc. That's all about the alternatives. Now is a good time to explore these options and find the perfect replacement before the doomsday, that is July 8. For more details, you may head to the article linked in the description.